Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about singular and plural nouns. As you can see in the name itself, singular means single. These are the nouns that talks about one person, like one girl, one place, like a school, one animal, like a dog, or one thing, like a box. Then we have plural nouns. Plural nouns are the nouns that stand for more than one person, like two girls. See how we have added the S? This S tells you that we are talking about not one, but two girls, or more than one place, like schools, more than one animal, like dogs, or more than one thing, like three boxes. See, in the end we have added es, which tells you we are not talking about one box, but we are talking about many boxes. We have to follow the rules for converting the singular noun, that is one, into plural nouns, that is many. Now let's see these rules. First one is the simplest of all. We just add s at the end of our singular noun. Like in the picture you can see, one book becomes four books. See, we have added the s at the end. Similarly, kite become kites, window become windows, or dog become dogs. Then we have next rule, which says that we have to add an s to vowels which are followed by a y. Like in boy, you know your vowels A, E, I, O, U. Any word that has a vowel followed by a y will have an s at the end to make it plural. Like one boy, the vowel is O and it is followed by y in the spelling. Boy becomes boys by simply adding an s. Similarly, journey become journeys, key become keys. Now let's move on to the next rule. The next rule is the one where we add es to the noun. Es is added to the words which have s in the end, like gas become gases, or which have an x at the end, like fox will become foxes. See, we have added es. Next example is double s. We take the word which have double s at the end, like class, and they become classes, or glass will become glasses. Similarly, words that end with ch. Look at the picture. One peach ends with ch. Become two peaches. We have added the es at the end. And last example is the words with end of sh, like eyelash become eyelashes, or splash become splashes. Next one are the nouns which have O at the end of them. Like in the picture you can see one mango. It has O in the end. To make it from one mango into three mangoes, we have to add es at the end. So it will become one mango, three mangoes, or one tomato, three tomatoes. We have few exceptions. Exceptions means the words which will not follow this rule. Like radio. Radio has an O in the end, but it will not have ES in the end to make many radios. It will have only an S. Similarly, studio will become studios by adding just S. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.